The Autel Dragonfish is a smart and powerful drone that's built to make flying easier and more effective. It can take off and land straight up like a helicopter, but once in the air, it flies like a plane, faster, farther, and smoother. This makes it perfect for long missions like search and rescue, farming surveys, or security patrols. It comes in three versions: Light, Standard, and Pro, with flight times ranging from 75 to 180 minutes. You can fly it up to 30 kilometers away, and it stays super stable even in windy conditions. The Dragonfish has a 4K zoom camera, thermal imaging, and AI-powered tracking that can automatically follow a person, car, or object. It only takes 3 minutes to set up and is ready to fly in just 5 seconds. With one-tap takeoff and landing, even beginners can use it easily. Lazareth, LMV 496, the world's first flying motorcycle. The Lazareth LMV 496 is a jaw-dropping innovation that turns heads both on the ground and in the air. Created by French company Lazareth, this one-of-a-kind machine is the first motorcycle that can actually fly. On land, it rides like a sleek electric bike built with a lightweight carbon fiber frame. But when it's time to take off, four jet turbines hidden inside its wheels power up, lifting the bike off the ground and allowing it to hover for a few minutes. This futuristic ride combines the thrill of motorcycling with the excitement of flight. Although it's still a prototype, the LMV 496 gives us a sneak peek into what the future of personal transportation might look like. One where flying motorcycles help beat traffic and make daily commutes faster and way cooler. It's also a bold step forward in VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, technology. MG EXE 181 concept car. The MG EXE 181 is a futuristic electric hypercar that brings back the legendary spirit of MG's 1950s speed record car in a bold new way. First revealed at the 2024 Beijing Auto Show, this sleek single-seater is all about extreme speed and cutting-edge design. With its teardrop-shaped body and ultra-low drag of just 0.181, it slices through the air like a bullet. The large tail fin isn't just for looks. It works as an air brake to help slow the car down from crazy high speeds. Under the hood, the EXE 181 has 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, giving it insane power. It goes from 0 to 100 km/h in just 1.9 seconds, and is aiming to hit speeds around 415 km/h, beating MG's old record of 410 km/h. MG Maze. The MG Maze is a fun and futuristic concept car that turns everyday driving into an exciting game. Designed for young, tech-savvy drivers, this small electric two-seater feels more like a real-life video game than a regular car. With its transparent roof, glowing lights, and sleek, modern look, the MG Maze feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. What makes it truly unique is how you control it, using a gaming-style controller instead of a traditional steering wheel. The dashboard shows digital graphics and points, just like a game, making every drive feel like a mission. It's built for city life, perfect for short, fun trips and exploring with friends. Inside, it's high-tech and minimal, with a clear canopy that gives you an amazing view all around. The MG Maze is fully electric, so it's eco-friendly and quiet, while also being connected to your digital world. Spinning microscopes, changing the way we see cells. A powerful new microscope is giving scientists an exciting new way to watch living cells in action. Known as spinning disk confocal microscopy, this technology works much faster than regular microscopes. Instead of scanning one tiny point at a time, it uses hundreds of small pinholes on a spinning disk to capture detailed 3D images from multiple spots all at once. This means it can take ultra-fast pictures without damaging delicate live cells, perfect for studying how they move, grow, and react in real time. Advanced models like the Explorer Spin XL and Spin SR offer super sharp resolution down to just 120 nanometers and can capture up to 500 frames per second. That's fast enough to record even the tiniest changes happening inside a cell. Because it's so gentle and quick, researchers can observe live cells over long periods without harming them. Miltech's MH-60, the ultimate military helicopter experience in flight simulator. Miltech Simulations is set to take your Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 experience to the next level with its incredible MH-60 helicopter add-on, coming in April 2025. This pack includes 3 fully detailed versions of the famous Black Hawk variants: MH-60S Sierra, MH-60R Romeo, and MH-60T Tango. Each helicopter is crafted with realistic flight physics, advanced avionics, a custom autopilot, and even system failure simulations, making it feel just like flying the real thing. Whether you're rescuing people at sea, fighting wildfires, hunting submarines, or delivering supplies, the 30-plus built-in missions will keep you on your toes. Mini Gus Autonomous Sprayer, smarter farming made easy. The Mini Gus is a compact yet powerful farming machine designed to work in tight spaces like vineyards, orchards, and fields with specialty crops. Just 6 feet wide, it easily moves through narrow rows without needing a driver. It uses smart tech like GPS, LiDAR, and high-resolution cameras to navigate with precision and spray crops efficiently. Powered by a 3.8-liter Cummins diesel engine and holding up to 400 gallons of spray, the Minigus can run non-stop for up to 12 hours. What makes it even more impressive is that one person can control up to 8 of these machines remotely from a laptop. This not only saves time and labor, but also improves safety on the field. It even offers optional towers for spraying taller crops and works with advanced precision spraying systems to reduce waste and protect the environment. The Mini Gus isn't just another sprayer, it's a smart solution for modern farming. Mubea U-Mobility. The Mubea U-Mobility is a small, smart electric vehicle made for modern city life. Built by German company Mubea, this lightweight 2-seater is perfect for short urban trips like commuting, shopping, or visiting friends. Its compact size makes parking super easy, and since it runs on electricity, it's quiet, clean, and produces 0 emissions. Great for both the planet and busy streets. Designed with city living in mind, the U-Mobility focuses on being practical, efficient, and eco-friendly. Even though it's small, it offers a comfy ride and a sleek, modern look. It's not built for speed, but rather for getting around town safely and smoothly, helping reduce traffic and pollution at the same time. The interior is simple and tech-savvy, with controls that are easy to use and features made for short, efficient journeys. It's a great solution for crowded cities looking to cut down on big vehicles and make transportation smarter and greener. NGMM, Next-Gen Microchips that power the future. NGMM stands for Next Generation Microelectronics Manufacturing, and it's setting the stage for the future of technology. This new method is all about creating ultra-small and ultra-powerful microchips that are essential for running everything from your smartphone to artificial intelligence and 5G. The goal of NGMM is to make transistors, the tiny switches inside chips, even smaller, faster, and more energy efficient. Using advanced materials and new production techniques, these chips can do more work while using less power. That means quicker apps, smarter devices, and longer battery life. NGMM is also a key player in pushing new tech like quantum computing, which needs lightning-fast processing and top-level precision. By revolutionizing how chips are made, NGMM will help build a smarter and more connected world. NTT Data Technology is all about helping businesses grow smarter using modern tech like AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. It's a global company based in Japan, working in over 50 countries with more than 190,000 employees. From banks and hospitals to airlines and smart cities, NTT Data helps companies use technology to solve problems and work more efficiently. One of their biggest strengths is using AI and data to help businesses predict trends, automate tasks, and make better decisions. They also build secure cloud systems, making it easier for teams to work from anywhere while keeping information safe. Their cybersecurity solutions protect against hackers, and they're even rolling out private 5G networks to support future-ready infrastructure like smart factories and cities. NTT Data also cares about the planet. They help companies cut energy use and switch to greener systems. Nuclear-powered sky hotel. Imagine a hotel that flies high above the clouds and never needs to land. This is the incredible idea behind the nuclear-powered sky hotel. Powered by a nuclear reactor, this giant flying resort could stay in the air for months without refueling. It's designed to carry over 5,000 guests and offers all the luxuries you'd expect from a five-star hotel, including restaurants, shopping malls, theaters, swimming pools, gyms, and even glass observation decks for stunning views of the sky. What makes it even more amazing is how it works. The hotel uses clean nuclear energy, which means it produces no pollution like normal airplanes. It's also smart, using AI to control flights, avoid bad weather, and manage services on board. Small electric planes would fly up to it in midair to bring guests and supplies, so it never has to land. Padrone Ring. The Padrone Ring is a futuristic gadget that turns your finger into a full-fledged computer mouse. Designed to be worn like a regular ring, it lets you control your computer, tablet, or smartphone simply by moving your hand. No need for a bulky mouse or touchpad, just tap, swipe, or point in the air, and the Padrone Ring does the rest. It connects via Bluetooth and is compatible with almost all modern devices. It's lightweight, water-resistant, and charges quickly, making it perfect for people who are always on the move. Whether you're giving a presentation, editing photos, or just browsing the web, the Ring gives you smooth and accurate control without needing to touch anything. It comes in different sizes and colors to fit your style and finger comfortably. Ideal for tech lovers, creatives, and professionals, the Padrone Ring brings a sleek, sci-fi feel to everyday tasks. Parker Solar Probe. The Parker Solar Probe is one of NASA's most daring missions ever. Launched in 2018, it was built to fly closer to the sun than any other spacecraft in history, getting as close as just 4 million miles from its surface. That's like touching the sun. To survive the extreme heat, it has a special heat shield that can handle temperatures up to 1,400 degrees Celsius. It's also incredibly fast, traveling through space at over 700,000 kilometers per hour. But what's the mission? The probe is studying the sun's outer layer, called the corona, as well as the solar wind and magnetic fields. This research is super important because the sun's activity affects Earth's weather in space, which can mess with our satellites, power grids, and communication systems. Every time it flies by, the Parker Solar Probe sends back new and exciting data that helps scientists understand how the sun works. The Pellenc Expand R5090 is a smart machine designed to make olive harvesting much easier and faster. Traditionally, picking olives is a slow, hard job, but this innovative system changes all that. With just 2 people, the Expand R5090 can collect over 300 kilograms of olives in one pass, covering a large area quickly and efficiently. It can reduce the amount of manual labor needed by up to 80%, saving time and effort. This machine has an automatic tarpaulin that rolls out under the trees to catch the olives as they fall. It vibrates the trees gently, causing the olives to drop onto the tarpaulin. The Expand R5090 doesn't just collect the olives, it also sorts and cleans them using built-in fans, making the whole process smoother. For large olive groves, this machine is a game changer. It can harvest up to 1,000 trees in a single day, working fast with a 20-second vibration cycle. Renault Claire Garbage Truck. The Renault Claire Garbage Truck is not your ordinary trash collector. It's a smart, eco-friendly machine designed for the future. Fully electric, it runs quietly and produces 0 emissions, helping cities stay clean without harming the environment. Its sleek and modern design shows that even garbage trucks can look cool while doing important work. What really makes the Renault Claire stand out is its advanced technology. It's equipped with smart sensors and robotic arms that can automatically detect, grab, and sort garbage, making the whole process faster and easier. This means less work for human collectors and more efficient waste collection. It can also track how full bins are and plan the best routes, saving time and energy during daily rounds. Designed for busy city streets, the Renault Claire is compact yet powerful, able to move smoothly in tight spaces.